Why do guinea pigs make weird noises? These sounds are part of their communication repertoire and can indicate different behaviors and situations. From chirps to purrs, understanding the various noises your guinea pig makes is key to being able to provide them with a safe and comfortable environment. Guinea pigs make noises due to several reasons, and they make different types of noises for different behaviors. Guinea pigs make noise when they are happy. They are purring and humming and chirping, which are really cute noises that they make to show their joy. When your guinea pig is anxious, it may make an alarming high-pitched squeal. Read more information by going to the link in the description.